Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining. If you're new, please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my supporters. If you're in the market to buy a Tesla car, please use my referral code. Support me on Patreon, much appreciated. And this video, as always, is sponsored by EVBase. They are awesome. More about them later on. I feel that Tesla is about to explode and beyond proportion. Now, I tell you something, one thing I don't talk about in this channel, and full disclosure, I have a whole bunch of Tesla stock. I wish I had more, but I don't, but I have a lot. And I don't talk about the stock. And when I say explode, I feel like everything is going to explode. And I don't look at quarter by quarter. I look in chunks of at least a year to 5 years. So, however, and I'm not talking about the stock, I'm talking about Tesla as the business, it's about to explode. First of all, sales are going crazy. We'll see what happened at the end of the month, at the end of next month. I'm sorry, because that's going to be the end of the quarter with the tax credit are going away. To me, it's going to be interesting what's going to be after that. But let's wait and see. So I like to listen to the earning calls and then reflect a month later. So I'm reflecting. I have the earning calls notes right in front of me that I wrote almost a month ago. And I like to go over them to see what is happening. So let me just tell you how quickly things are going. First of all, the regulation for FSD. Things are moving along. Tesla is in San Francisco, obviously in Texas. There's a car in Miami spotted today driving around FSD. It's coming to Brooklyn, not too far from me. I go to Brooklyn all the time. It's unbelievable what's going to happen. So, and to me, the personal Tesla FSD, meaning me and you and whoever wants to have his car or her car participate in the fleet, that's coming, and hopefully no later than beginning of next year. So like I said, the expansion of the geofence in Texas and in San Francisco and in Miami and in Brooklyn, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. The humanoid robot, do not underestimate it. Tesla, knowing how to pivot, cancel the Dojo program. Not going to get into that, but hardware 5, hardware 6, all these chips, all this compute power is coming. Robots are going to be a significant thing next year. This is quick. Tesla Model Y 7-seat launching in China soon, and 6 and 7-seat launching in China, then all throughout the world, longer, taller and bigger wheelbase, which is more important than anything, to accommodate comfortably 6 or 7 passenger. Cheaper Model Y coming fourth quarter, coming. I mean, it's unbelievable how things are happening fast. To me, it's also very important to note that within a month, Elon Musk tweeted about it, within a month, Tesla is going to have FSD 14, which will require drivers very little intervention, very little monitoring, so to speak. And that's, to me, connected to the possibility of allowing drivers, Tesla owners, to unleash their car into the market. Before I continue, just a word for my sponsor, EVBase. They're amazing. They're awesome. I love them. I buy all my accessories from there, my bin storage, my roof ceiling curtain, my mats, storage, everything I buy from them. My tire rim covers, they are amazing. I highly recommend. I'll give you a link. Use them, you get tremendous discount. Now, this is a sore point for me personally, hardware 3. I have a car, hardware 3 from 2021. What's going to happen to people who paid $8, $10, $12, $15,000 for FSD on hardware 3? Where are they going to be salvaged? When is that going to be? Now, you can transfer FSD, but I really don't want to. I really don't, if you buy, because I have to buy a new car. I don't want to. You know what the biggest news to me, besides the excitement of FSD and this and that, is the LFP battery factory of Tesla. That's going to open a whole new world, because I have a Tesla Model 3 2023 on a lease. The lease is up soon with an LFP battery, 100% charging, great car. Obviously, you can't do it anymore because there's no tax incentives as is, and now who knows what is. But Tesla producing their own LFP can bring a whole new dimension for cheaper cars with enough range. I'm talking about 250, 270 miles. That's plenty enough. I am telling you, plenty enough. All right, Robotaxi continue to pile on miles, continue to gather data. If you look at the costs per ride compared to a Waymo, compared to Lyft, compared to Uber, Tesla is the cheapest one. They can dump 4,000-5,000 cars that they make in one day and any city they want. Just San Francisco, it's about 1 million people. They will not need more than 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 cars to cover the entire city. Just like that, with nothing to no modification. It's the regular cars, the regular Model 3, Model Y, and of course later on Model 3, but Model Y is the most comfortable. Wait until they start producing the Cybercab. I love that car. I've seen it. I touched it. We were making out. I love that car. It's such a great, beautiful car. That's going to be dedicated just for Robotaxi. It doesn't go too fast. It's just to service people from A to B. The lowest cost per mile. Unbelievable. Elon Musk compensation plan. We talked about it in a previous video about his compensation plan and the stocks that he was awarded. The money is not what's the compensation plan. It's the control of the shares of Tesla. So now it's going to go up to 15. We need to get to 25 so Elon Musk can focus just on Tesla. You can feel it. You can see him how engaged he is in Tesla. And by the way, and everybody's copying what Tesla is doing in terms of production. Everybody's copying the best. All right. So let's see what else I got for you. We talked about Austin. We talked about San Francisco, Nevada, Arizona, Florida. More states and more areas are coming to cover half of the United States population. It is absolutely possible that this is going to happen. Model Y continue to be a bestseller. Probably is going to be another bestseller this year. Autonomy needs 50,000 miles of data to become driverless car. Once it's driverless car, again, I'm not saying it's the end of everybody else. It's going to take a long time. And they're still going to be going around, meaning Uber and Lyft and whatever. But it's going to be a tremendous shift in the way people take autonomous car. Beautiful Tesla Model Y, no driver. It's like cheap price. It's going to be unbelievable. Now, FSD around the world, China, England, Spain, the Netherlands, Australia, New Zealand. It's coming everywhere in the world. I'm telling you, it's coming everywhere in the world. It's going to be an incredible explosion. I'm telling you what I feel. Things are going to explode, and they're going to explode really soon. So we'll see what happens. We continue to follow this. I am telling you, hold on to your hats. A lot of things are going to happen very quickly. Thank you guys for watching. Here's a word from my sponsor. Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here, and I got an awesome set from EV Base right in this big box for my Tesla Model 3 2018 wheel covers. Okay, let me just show you. They come 4 sets in this nice cover, this bubble wrap right here. 4 of them come. Now, it does come with this foam, okay? It does come with this foam. I'm going to show you. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but I'm going to show you how. And these covers for the circle in the middle. Now, I do have another set that I use, and it does have the Tesla cover. So you can order this in like I think 3 or 4 colors, or you can just use the black one. For this case, I'm just going to use the black ones that they have. There is a little adhesive here. You peel it and you are going to do that. So now, this is like I said for the 18-inch wheel. So it comes with this foam in the back. You take it out. It's very simple to install. Now this foam covers like just like that, and it's easier to do it with two people, but I'm going to show you how to do it with one person. You basically start somewhere, and then you slowly put it in, and slowly you put it in, and you have to go slow. You really have to go slow to put it around. Do you have to do it? I don't know. If you want, you don't have to. I'm doing it because I want to show it to you. So it takes, I don't know, a few minutes for each one, and you put it around. Let me show you. See, you put it around, and it's going to cover it. So let me finish it, and then I'll show you how it looks like, okay? Okay, so here it is. I finished. You know, it literally took me 1 minute. Okay, now you don't have to do it. It's a nice thing to just seal it around. And the covers in the middle, okay, you can put it like this. You don't have to do anything, but it comes with this nice black cap. So you have this red adhesive here, cover, you take it out. Now, you can do it before you install it, or you can do it after, when it's actually on the wheel. Either way, it doesn't matter. And you put it like so in the middle, a little push, and it's done. And it's covered, and it's this. Just like I showed you, I have the one with the Tesla logo, whichever you like, okay? Whichever you like. Now, let me show you how to remove the old one. And then this one is very easy to put in, and it's very aerodynamic. I'm going to make some tests of these, range tests on a long drive. I'm going to go down to Florida in Christmas time. I'm going to drive with them one way and drive without them another way, and we will look if we are gaining any miles. So let's go to the car. Okay, so here's the old one. If you have a Tesla, you all have this. And we hate these curb rashes because the old one just covers up to here. Okay? So basically, to take it out is it's good to do with two hands, but I'm gonna show you can do it also with one hand. You just pull. You pull. You pull, and it's out. Okay, you see it's out. So you see the curb brush? Now here's the new one. Completely covering the wheel. So let me show you how I installed the new one. All right? Okay, so it's very important. You see here this little hole. This is where where you pump the tire. Okay. All right, for the air. Okay, right here. So you align it against this, and if you push this in the middle, around, that's it, installed. It's all good. All right, now I'm going to show you. So this, the center circle here is already installed. I'm going to show you the other one that you can do it after it's installed. It's maybe it's easier or it's not. Okay, here we go. Okay, like I said before, you take the red adhesive, you put here in the circle. That's it, done. See, it's beautiful. I'm going to show you all wheels, and you see how it looks like. It's really look nice. Okay, so here they are, all four of them. You see how it covers the rim very nicely. Even if you had curb brush, you cannot see it anymore. I'll put you a link. You can use my code TEI, the Electric Israeli, and you get, I think, 23% for Black Friday. And just use my link. They have thousands of EV accessories for Teslas and other electric cars. It's really, really beautiful. Thank you guys for watching.